One of the behaviors that are supported in YSH document designer is the behavior that allows the user to configure a signature field to place a date in another field when the user signs the document in that field. To make this configuration working or apply that configuration to the field, do the following. Select the signature field first, then go to the field property, click on the behavior and click on edit. The system suggests you to select a control where you want to place the date of the signature. So you'd select this one, it says selected one, and basically click save behavior, save, and you're done. If you click on the signature field again and go to the behavior, you will see that the behavior checkbox has a small check sign here. It means that behavior is applied. If you want to clear this behavior, just click on clear, acknowledge that, and save the field properties. And that's how you are setting up the signature date in another field automatically. Thank you.